To use your Cash App card on DHgate, follow these steps. Ensure sufficient balance. Make sure your Cash App card has enough funds to cover the purchase amount on DHgate. Add card to DHgate account. Log into your DHgate account and navigate to the payment section during checkout. Choose the option to add a new payment method and enter your Cash App card details, including the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. Verify card. DHgate may require you to verify your Cash App card to ensure it's valid. This may involve receiving a verification code via email or SMS and entering it on the DHgate website. Complete purchase. Once your Cash App card is added and verified, proceed to complete the purchase on DHgate. Select the Cash App card as your payment method, review the order details, and confirm the transaction. Check transaction status. After completing the purchase, monitor your Cash App account for the transaction to ensure it's processed successfully. You may receive a notification or email confirmation from both DHgate and Cash App once the transaction is completed.